Housing and clothing. We all need a house to live in as it protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, harsh weather, wild animals, and thieves. A house is built according to the climate of the place where we live. Types of houses. There are different types of houses depending on the place where they are built and the materials used to build them. In villages, most of the houses are kacha houses made of mud, stones, sticks, straw, and cow dung. They are not strong and durable and need repairs often. Pakka houses are strong houses. They are found mostly in cities. Houses in cities are of many types. They may be huge, single storied, with lawns and gardens, known as bungalows, or there may be similar types of houses on the different floors of tall buildings known as flats. There are some very tall and high rise buildings known as skyscrapers. They have lifts for people to go up and down. Features of a good house. A house may be kacha or pakka, big or small, single storied or multi storied. A good house should have the following features. It should be well lit and have enough doors and windows to let the sunlight and fresh air in. The sunlight keeps the house free from germs. A good house should have a high roof. It keeps the house cool. Besides doors and windows, a good house should also have open space like verandas, balconies, and courtyards to let the fresh air in. It should be cleaned daily as a clean house helps us to stay healthy. It should have iron grills on the windows to keep thieves and animals out. Wire meshes on the windows and doors keep flies and mosquitoes out. A good house should also have a good drainage system to carry away the dirty water. The drains should be covered to prevent rats and cockroaches from entering the house. Taking care of the house. Living in a dirty house can make us sick and unhealthy. We can keep our house clean in the following ways. All household wastes should be thrown in dustbins. The dustbins should be kept covered. One should not throw the garbage in the open as it can spread germs and diseases. Everything in the house must be regularly dusted. The floors should be cleaned and mopped daily. Phenyl or Lysol or neem leaves should be used to mop the floor. Bathrooms and toilets should be cleaned regularly. Cobwebs should be removed regularly. Water should not be allowed to stay at a place for a long time as it becomes the breeding place of mosquitoes. Always keep your books, school bag, toys, clothes, and shoes at their proper place after use. This makes the house look neat and tidy. We can use air fresheners to keep the air clean and fresh. Clothes. We wear clothes to look smart and graceful. Clothes protect us from dust, heat, cold, rain, and insect bites. Fibers. All types of clothes are made from fibers. They are of two types, natural and man-made. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. For example, cotton, silk, wool, jute, etc. Fibers obtained from plants such as cotton and jute are called plant fibers. Fibers obtained from animals such as wool and silk are called animal fibers. Man-made fibers are those fibers which are made by man. They are also called synthetic fibers. Example: nylon, rayon, polyester, etc. Clothes according to seasons. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons according to the climate of the place we live in. We wear light colored cotton clothes in summer because they keep our body cool by absorbing sweat. We wear dark colored woolen clothes in winter because they absorb heat and keep us warm. We wear waterproof clothes over our normal clothes to protect ourselves from rain. Umbrellas, gumboots, and raincoats keep us dry in rainy or monsoon season. Clothing habits. We should wear loose and comfortable clothes, wear neat, clean and well-ironed clothes, wash our clothes after wearing them once. Silk, woolen and leather clothes should be dry cleaned at regular intervals. Do you know rayon is also called artificial silk?